Hey there, YouTube, George here. How the hell are we? And back again, another little update video on the old slabby here. So, where were we in the last video? Yeah, so we had all the what you call it, mocked up in cardboard. This tray here, so it's all done now in aluminium, whatever you want to call it. So that's all complete now, and we mounted the ignition here on the side. So that's where we wanted that. What else did we do? Oh yes, our seat release. I have that done now. So I'll just put this back on. I know I just took it off, but this is closed. Little lever in there. You just press that, and off comes your seat. So happy days. Where else? So that's what all the under tray looks like. Done in aluminium. We made this little piece here. That's for our number plate indicators. These indicators are just ones I had in a box. They won't be what's going on it. Number plate mount goes there. So that came out quite neat. What else? Now, yeah, I was talking about these light bars in the last video as well, and I made these here brackets to put it on, but I went along then and I wired them up to just a car battery here. I'll put up some pictures of that here as I'm talking, and I've come to the conclusion that I don't think this is going to work because they're too bright, and the brightness, I suppose, is not the worst of the problem. The worst of the problem is there's no beam pattern. It's just like a big ball of light, and it's going everywhere, so you're going to be blinding everybody with them, and it's just going to be an invitation for the cops to be pulling you in. So we have a plan. All that's going. So the next video you see, that'll be probably all taken off, and you'll just have to wait and see where we're going with after that. And had made all these little aluminium pieces here to mount indicators on, and shaped them to fit into the little recess on the light. Yeah, so you know, to be honest, you know, from the side here, this area, it's all a bit bitty looking, and I don't know, the more I'm looking at it, the more I don't like it. So, and also the problem with the brightness, because it's just going to be, everybody's going to be flashing lights at you, and no, not that I'm going to be out in the dark, but even when you're out, when I'd be out in daylight hours, I'd always have the lights on. Every little helps, you know. So that's what's going to happen there. So the whole front end is going to change, and we're going to change up the mount here, blah blah blah. For this little reservoir, just want to get a bit neater. I want to try and get it you know, tucked in there, something like that, nice and neat. That's the reservoir for the thumb brake, rear brake setup, because they're going to be linked. So I'll probably end up going for a different pot. I want something a bit bigger than that, I think. When you're bleeding it up, you'd be sick just pouring fluid into that. Yeah, so that's pretty much where it is for now. And yeah, it's coming along, and haven't got back to Declan and Anthony yet to get any more welding done. Just haven't got there yet. Remade the tank mounts. Wasn't happy with the other ones, so I remade them. Moved the tank a little further forward while I was at it. Just for when the seat, when it's upholstered and all that, that won't be digging into the back of the tank. It's not very solid here because the mount has to go on the front. That'll happen when it goes back for the next lot of welding. But other than that, that's pretty much it. It's coming along nicely. So this is a quick video compared to the last couple, and we will probably go in a longer format with the next one. And thanks for watching. So we'll get you in the next one, guys. All the best.